years, done a lot of cooking overseas, 100,000 miles on boats, and this is sort of the end result of that. You've got a collaboration with Messermeister, a German knife manufacturer. They've been around for 60 years. They asked me to make something kind of adventurous, something that we could put in our kits, we could put it in our backpacks, we could take it anywhere, put it in our campers, our boat. You're looking at a chef's knife, fillet knife, there's a full utility, peeler, zester, corer, oyster opener, paring knife. It's very durable. Those are all cut marks on the seam that people claim will fail, and it doesn't. So the liner lock is on the inside here. Not only does it prevent you from being able to accidentally hit a button and close it up on yourself, it also allows for a hollow back. Had that been any other locking mechanism, there'd be a piece of metal right here. This would fill up with food and you wouldn't be able to clean it out. So from a sanitation point, you can run some hot water through that, it'll clean it right out. Just take my thumbnail and push it over, see that? Push it over, and it releases it. You make it difficult to do so you can't accidentally do it.
Yeah.
It's German steel, it's razor sharp, it's very easy to resharpen, which is the most important thing. A lot of people think a hard knife is a good knife. It's absolutely wrong. I've been a chef for 15 years. You need to be able to sharpen your knife, and you can't sharpen a hard knife. Everything folds into this tight little kit. You've also got utility. You've got a zester here. That's also a fish scaler, a peeler, a corer, an oyster opener, a paring knife. All your basic manipulation tools to flip and eat and do whatever you need to do. The fillet knife, if you've ever seen someone fillet a fish, you know how important a bend is. That's a very flexible knife. It goes right back to where it was before. Messermeister's been around for 60 years. They're a trusted knife brand. We created this kit for $249. And if you know anything about Messermeister, a knife that size will cost you $249 for one knife. So the fact that you're getting all of that is pretty freaking incredible.